Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. Today I'm going to review the Joby Podzilla Tripod Kit. This is the large size one. Now, this is to replace a Joby Gorilla Pod. I think it was the SLR that I lost. Put a little picture what it looks like. I've been using quite a few Joby bits and pieces. So I already have this little contraption from Joby, which is now, I don't know if you can see, it actually says Joby on the bottom, probably not. But this is 9 years old. I bought this 9 years ago, and this has a moving top piece here that's quite stiff, because I keep it stiff, it's a screw underneath. But when you're finished, you just fold this up like so, and that's nice to keep in the pocket, just a makeshift mini tripod. I've also had a few other bits and pieces. Got the ball head, a Joby ball head, 360-degree ball head. That's 8 years old. That I'm still using today. Down there for a second. I've got this Joby tripod, which has, I can't remember what this is called. This is 2.5 years old. So this has an extendable. Actually, it goes much further than that. An extendable arm. It has. This is removable here. This screws off. All very stiff, but this piece here does come off, so you can put other attachments on the top. But this is the, when lockdowns first started nearly 2 years ago, I used this particular tripod for Zoom calls an awful lot. And on the back it has for your phone a rotating mount, and also has a tripod attachment that you can remove as well. A tripod, hot shoe bit here. This head here is all adjustable. If you notice, there's tripod screws each side for putting some extra attachments or arms that come out, and actually the legs can go completely flat. And it did come with a Bluetooth shutter thing as well. That was fairly pricey. But what we're here to talk about is this little baby, and this was to replace, I wanted one with the flexible legs. So this is made of aluminium in core with rubber, and because I've had the previous version, there's a lot to talk about on this one that's different. Now I'm just going to grab the box to give you an idea of phone size compatibility. It says here minimum width is 6.7, maximum is 8.8 centimeters, and maximum depth is 2 centimeters for this particular attachment. When it's like that, without this top piece on, that is up to this piece here, this rubber bit, that's 31.5 centimeters, and I believe it can hold, doesn't say here, it can hold up to 2.5 grams in weight. So as you can see, I'll just run through this. You have a push button here to release this little bit here. This is just, this screws on. Now what I use is have a 20 pence piece. It's quite handy for a number of my tripod screws I have on different tripods. This is absolutely perfect. So you get yourself a nice 20p piece, or flathead screwdriver does the same thing. And that literally just unscrews like so. And you can keep that permanently attached. And then you can just literally slide that on, it clicks into place. And on here you have a level meter. Now that's the first thing. But before I talk about and show you what you can do with this kit, I'll show you how you've got the ball head here, and it has the drop piece, so you can actually move it and actually rotate that round, and you can lock that off. So you can hold it, the phone, which I'll show you in a sec. But I've also used this with the camera I'm using to record at the moment. It's a Sony RX10 Mark IV. It's quite a beast, has a very long zoom lens when it's extended. And I'll show you a picture here, a couple of pictures. No problem with this, either using it as a tripod or holding it out the actual camera itself. So that's really good. Now let's take a look at what you can do with this actual piece here. So the first thing, let's grab the phone, is you just push up, slide in, and it locks into place. Now let's just make sure there's no notifications come through. Now if you want to do some portable video, you just rotate that round like so, or horizontal, no problem at all. Now what you also have is the ability here, let's just say you want to add some lights. So let's put a light on. Let's just attach that, like so. Not sure if I screwed that in tight enough. And if you want to put a mic as well on this side, you have another piece here. Actually, it might help if I put that right way around. So now I have camera action lights. So I've got everything you need for a mini vlog set. But obviously what I have noticed is when you go to do it in horizontal, you lose access to that point there. But what you can do, a little tip, is if you need to get an adapter, I've just got this Ulanzi adapter that moves in like so. And then I can now slide in tripod, microphone, and I can now put my Lumicube lights, and I can tighten it up like so, and you can have a complete vlog session like so with an adapter on top. So it's really very versatile. Let's take these off like so. Now in terms of these two types of tripods, why would you get this Joby one here, which is slated, this is 2.5 years old now, why would you get this? Right, I actually personally think this is the Podzilla is much better. Now when I compare it to the original sort of version of this that they had, and I think I got that one about 6 years in 2015, and the only reason I needed to get something different is I actually lost it on a very big hike on the moor, Dartmoor. The reason I like this particular version, it has the ball head integrated. On the old version you had to buy the ball head separately. Funny enough, I still have these separate ball head that I use on another tripod. That still is fine. But with this, you've got absolutely, this feels far more, the system they're using for flexing this is far more flexible. You can do all sorts of different things. It then shuts like so. You can straighten it out. Just has a lot more flexibility here. And you can attach this because of the rubber. This is far more grippier, in my mind, than the previous version, and it feels a lot more sturdier as well in practice. And I've been using this now for I don't know, good 2-3 weeks now. But this will be my long-term tripod, and you'll probably see this occasionally throughout the years as I use it. It's just so handy having everything built in, and it can hold all my my phones. This is the Pixel 6 Pro, is quite a large size phone, and it's no problem with a big camera, so it can hold up to 2.5 kilos. If you've got any questions on this or anything on that one, perhaps you hear that rattles a bit, give us a shout. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.